Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, some gold was sent to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed among four men. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu sent some gold bespattered with dust. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed it among Aqra bin Habis Hanzali, a member of Banu Mujashi, Oina bin Badr Fazari, and Alqama bin Olatha Amiri, a member of Banu Kilab, and Zaidul Khail Tai, a member of Banu Nabhan. The Quraysh and the helpers thereupon got displeased and said, He sallallahu alaihi wasallam apportioned the chiefs of Najd wealth ignoring us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, I just console their hurts. Then a man with sunken eyes, a protruding forehead, a thick beard, high cheek bones, and shaven head said, O Muhammad, fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Who is there to obey Allah Jalla Jalaluhu if I disobey him, whereas He Jalla Jalaluhu has made me a trustworthy man for the people of the earth, but you don't believe me as a trustworthy man. Thereupon a man among the people sought the permission to kill him. I think he was Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu, but the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam proscribed him. When he had gone, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, From amongst his stock there will emerge such a people as will recite the Quran, but it will not pass their throats. They will exit the religion as an arrow goes through a game. They will assassinate the Muslims, leaving the idol worshippers. If I found those people, I would kill them as the people of Ad were killed. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7432.